Assalamualaikum everyone, and Pepe is coming down on the lower time frame. So if you go back into the 5 minutes time frame here, you can actually see that it has been some bear market going on, which is actually very funny. So 5 minutes time frame shows a small bear market. But the thing is, yesterday I talked in detail that we may see a short trap, and that's the title of the video. Now the short trap actually comes from the 4-hour time frame. So are we being entertained for a move down? Are people thinking that, yeah, the pump has happened, it's time we open up short position, the market is already dumping, so we may take a short position and try to go down? Now that's the basic mentality at this point of time. Now it's possible that you may see at this, and I just want to tell you that be careful, because you see this is your wick down there, so you may actually touch the wick and then actually move up. So that may offer the short trap at this point of time, because let's face it, when you have a stop loss down at the wick, a lot of people are going to say, okay, the wick is down there, so that means if this stop loss gets taken away, let me open up a short position because the market looks like it's going to go and dump to the downside. But instead what the market does is take this, flip everybody bearish, people open up the short position, and then all of a sudden take that stop, and when you open up a short position here, you're going to put a stop loss up here, because that's where it makes a lot of sense to put a stop loss right at the wick, or maybe not there, but just a little bit above here at that resistance trend line, which I've showed you before. If I zoom out, that it happened back here, 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 and then also here as well. Okay, so flip everybody bearish by taking that stop, and then put your stop loss here or here, and then in the future go back up, take that stop loss, take the wick out. And normally I say this, and it happens time and time again, that coins which have wicks, maybe to the downside and to the upside, wicks do get visited. You always go back to visit wicks. And I cannot even forget the fact that I told you before that on the daily, I think it was on the daily or something, that we did have wicks here, and I told you this wick is going to be visited, that wick is going to be visited, this wick was visited, and then the wick got filled, and then you started a consolidation before you didn't move to the upside. So understand, wick filled, 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 end of it. And then you have another wick that is here and that is here, and we could potentially see a push up, take this stop loss and take that stop loss as well. So that's what you have to understand about wicks. Wicks can tell you a lot of stories. These are known as price action, and if you want to learn more about trading and how you can learn a lot about the market, you can be better in investing. I do have a 19 hours course for you to teach you everything from the very beginning. You don't even have to be an expert. I actually teach you as if you're a 10-year-old, all the way until you are very, very comfortable reading the charts and don't find it intimidating anymore. Message me on Twitter if you want, and I think 2 more days to close the private channel as well. And on the private, I do have a video which is private, telling 2-3 coins that can 2x in the next 6 months. And that's it for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.